In the last class, we discussed the concept of SCF and LCM and solved some previous year questions. Today we will solve some more problems. Then we will discuss about irrational numbers. This is the first question. Find the smallest number which is divisible by both 644 and 462. The smallest number which is divisible by these two numbers. That means we have to find out the lowest common multiple, LCM. We have to find the number which will be divisible by 644 and 462. That number we have to find out. To find the LCM of these two numbers, first we have to do the prime factorization. 644, if we will do prime factorization, then if we divide by 2, it is 322 divided by 2, that is 161, into if we divide by it, divided by 7, it will be equal to 23. This is 644. Now if we will do the prime factor, that can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 7 into 23. Now for 462, if we will do prime factorization, divided by 2, it will be equal to 231 divided by 7, that is equal to into 33. So the LCM, when we will take LCM, means we have to take the highest power of each factor, not common factor, each factor, highest power of each factor present in the numbers, that is in the two numbers. Their prime factors are 2, 7, 23 and 33. So we have to take highest power of it. So LCM will be 2 to the power 2 into 7 into 23 into 33. That is same as 2 to the power 2, 7 into 23. It is nothing but 644. 644 into 33. If we will do multiplication, 644 into 3, it will be equal to 2319, that is 1932. It will come to be 25212, that is 21252. So LCM will be equal to 21252. This will be the LCM of these two numbers. So this is the smallest number which is divisible by both 644 and 462. And next question is, 3 bells toll at intervals of 9, 12 and 15 minutes respectively. They start tolling together. After what time will they next toll together? Here also we have to take the LCM of these three numbers, 9 minutes, 12 minutes and 15 minutes. So that means we have to choose a number which is the common multiple of these three numbers. So if we will do prime factorization, we will get 9 will be equal to 3 into 3. Similarly 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 square into 3. Similarly 15 will be equal to 3 into 5. So LCM, what is LCM? LCM is the highest power of each prime factor, not common, each prime factor present in the numbers. That means for first one, it is 3 square. So highest power of the each prime factor. 2 is the prime factor and its highest power is 2. Here it is. 3 is the prime factor which highest power is also 2. Here because it is 1 and it is 1. So 3 square into 5. So this will be equal to 4 into 9 into 5. that is 20 into 9, that is 180 minutes. 180 minutes is same as 3 hours. This is the time after which all these bells again toll together. And come to the next question. Two numbers are in the ratio of 4:5 and the SCF is 11. Find the LCM of these numbers. Two numbers are in the ratio of 4:5. So numbers are let it be 4x and 5x. So their ratio will be 4:5. And if we will take SCF, this is 4x. The number, suppose this number is A is equal to 4x. So we can write this as 2 into 2 into x. And B is the another number, that is 5x or 5 into x. So if we will see the SCF of these two numbers of A and B, that is 4x and 5x, will be equal to x, because x is only the common factor here, you see. So x is equal to 11, it is given. So if x is equal to 11, so numbers will be A is equal to 4 into 11, that is 44, and B is equal to 5 into 11, that is 55. So now we have to find out LCM. LCM of, that is 44 and 55 will be equal to, actually now for A we can write 2 into 2 into 11, here it is 5 into 11. So LCM is the highest power of each prime factor present in the numbers. So here the highest power is, this can be written as 2 square into 11 actually. So it will be 2 square, 11 to the power 1 is the highest power, here it is 1 into 5. So this will be equal to 4 into 11 into 5. So this will be equal to 20 into 11, that is 220. So LCM of these two numbers is 220. Come to the next question. If x is the LCM of 4688, okay, same thing, for prime factorization if we will do 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 square, 6, that is 2 into 3, 8, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 3. So LCM of these three numbers 468, it will be equal to, that is 2 to the power 3 into 3. So this will be equal to 24. You see, we have to take the highest power of the each prime factors. Here there are two prime factors. Here prime factor is 2. Here prime factor is 2 and 3. Here prime factor is 2 only. So as total there are two prime factors. One is 2 and another is 3. So we have to take highest power of it. The highest power of 2 present here, it is 2 to the power 3, and highest power of 3 is 3 to the power 1. So that is LCM will be equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3, that is equal to 24. That is LCM. Now LCM of 357 all are already prime numbers. So LCM will be the multiple of 3 into 5 into 7. So this will be equal to 15 into 7, that is equal to 105. 105 is equal to y. This is equal to y. And 24 is equal to x. It is given in the question. And P is the LCM of x and y. P is the LCM of x and y. LCM of x and y. LCM of x, y. That is LCM of x is 24 and 105. So 24 is, if you will see 24 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3, and 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. So LCM if you will take, P will be equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So this will be equal to, this is 2 to the power 3 into 3 is equal to x. This thing is equal to x into 7 into 5 is 35. So P is equal to 35x. So P will be equal to 35 into x. So the option A is correct. Now next question is, if x is equal to a b to the power 3, that means x is equal to a b to the power 3 and y is equal to a to the power 3 into b, where a and b are prime numbers, that means it is already in the prime factorization form. So SCF of x and y, if we have to take the highest common factor. Highest common factor is, if you will see, first thing this it should be common, that means we have to take the lowest power of each common factor. Here the factors are a and b, here also the factors are a and b, and the lowest power it is 1 and it is 1b. So a to the power 1, b to the power 1, or it is equal to ab. SCF of xy is ab. Now if you will take LCM of x and y, we have to take the highest power of the each prime factor, not common, each prime factors. So there are two prime factors. A is highest power is present in the numbers is a to the power 3, and b is the another prime factor, and it is b to the power 3 is the highest power. Now SCF of x of y, SCF minus LCM of xy, we will get AB minus AQ BQ. So if we will take AB as common, we will get 1 minus A square B square, and we know that x square minus y square is the formula is x plus y into x minus y. So we can write here, this is the formula, algebraic formula, and here we can write AB, this is 1 square minus AB whole square. So a plus b into a minus b, you can write here 1 plus ab into 1 minus ab. So this is option D, ab into 1 plus ab into 1 minus ab. Okay, in the next class we will read the irrational numbers.